morning. Welcome to today's session. So, in the previous session of our discussion, we were discussing about exercise activity. There we discussed question number 3, 4, and 5. Question number 3rd, 4th, and 5th from exercise activity. So, in today's session, let us continue the remaining questions from the same part. So, question number 6a. Write a few lines to show what do you know about Kulkas. Write a few lines to show what do you know about Kulkas, or in your own understanding, write a short note on Kulkas. Write a short note on Kulkas. It is the Russian term for wealthy peasants who Stalin believed were hoarding grains to gain more profit. Hoarding means stocking. By 1927 to 28, the towns of Soviet Russia were facing an acute problem of grain supplies. Kulkas were thought to be partly responsible for this. Also, to develop modern farms and run them along industrial lines, the party under the leadership of Stalin thought it was necessary to eliminate Kulkas. 6b. Write a few lines to show what do you know about the Duma. Write a few lines to show what do you know about the Duma. During 1905 revolution, the Tsar allowed the creation of an elected consultative parliament in Russia. This elected consultative parliament in Russia was called Duma. So, for 1 mark question, it may be asked in the form of fill in the blanks or in the form of answering directly what is Duma. So, for that your answer should be Duma is consultative parliament formed in Russia in the year 1905. Or for it may be asked in the fill in the blanks like the elected consultative parliament in Russia is known as dash. Your answer should be Duma. 6c. Write a few lines to show what do you know about women workers between 1900 to 1930. They made up 31% of the factory labor force by 1914, but were paid almost half and 3/4 of the wages given to men. However, interestingly, it was the woman worker who led the way to strike during February Revolution. So, woman also formed her part or her ratio in worker section or working section in Russia, and moreover, she was paid very less comparing to men. It might be half or it may be 3/4 the wage given to men, and moreover, she took active part in February Revolution. Then 6d. Write a few lines to show what do you know about the liberals. Write a short note on liberals. They espoused a nation that was tolerant towards all religions. Espoused means supported, encouraged, favored. One that would protect individual rights against the government. Although the liberals wanted an elected parliamentary form of governance, they believed that the right to vote must only belong to men, and that to the ones who were property holders. Then 6E. Write a few lines to show what do you know about Stalin's collectivization program. Write a few lines to show what do you know about Stalin's collectivization program. So Stalin believed that collectivization of agriculture and agricultural products would help in improving grain supplies in Russia. He began collectivization in the year 1929. All the peasants were forced to cultivate in collective farms. Locally, it was called as kolkhoz. The bulk of land and implements were transferred to the ownership of the collective farm. Many peasants protested such attempts and destroyed livestock to show their anger. Collectivization did not bring the desired result in the food supply situation, turned even worse in subsequent year. So with this, we successfully completed the discussion of exercise activity. So I suggest now this chapter work you keep aside. The number of chapters so far I completed from my part, that is from history and political science. I repeat: French Revolution, what is democracy, why democracy, and constitutional design. So these three chapters are going to be taken into consideration for periodic test 1, and other related information, that is about madam's part, will be given to you from madam side. So if it is separate, that is my part and madam parts for separately for 25 marks, these three chapters will be taken. If it is together, then also it is going to be taken into consideration of these three chapters. So get ready yourself, keep 100-page notebook for my part as well as for madam part if it is separate. If it is together, so keep one notebook and present your work systematically. So thank you, one and all.